So in this video, I want to show you how much money YouTube can pay you for 1 million views. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So my channel recently surpassed over 1.2 million views in the channel, and so I thought this is the perfect opportunity to show you guys how much money you could make from YouTube if you actually receive 1 million views. Now there's a couple things that you have to keep in mind, because I'm going to show you the numbers. I'm going to log into my dashboard and show you exactly how much money YouTube paid me for 1 million views. But one of the things that you have to keep in mind is that this is different for every single YouTuber out there. So if you're trying to build a YouTube channel, your CPM might be a little bit different, and that's mainly because when it comes to making money on YouTube, there's two specific things that actually determine how much money you're going to make on YouTube. One is how many views you can get on a monthly basis, and the other one is your CPM. Now your CPM is your most important factor when it comes to how much money you'll make at the end of the month, because if your CPM is high, you'll probably make more money even if you're not getting lots of views. So what really determines your CPM is basically the topic of your videos, the topic of your channel. If you upload videos about business, making money online, affiliate marketing, you might have a higher than normal CPM. Now if you're talking about tutorial videos on photography, you're doing pranks, or you're doing a video game channel or anything like that, your CPM might be a little bit lower, mainly because you have less advertisers on that specific niche that are willing to pay more money. So for business, most people are willing to pay more money to reach business-minded people, and they're willing to spend a little bit more, which means that Google will charge more money for those advertisements and you get a higher CPM. And I even show you in one of my most recent videos, which you can go and watch in the description below. I'm going to put a link to that video, a single video that had a CPM of over $100 for every 1,000 views. So if you guys want to go and check out that video, I explain why that happened and how you can increase your overall CPM for your YouTube channel if you want to make more money getting less views. Now of course, because CPM actually varies on a month-to-month basis depending on how much money advertisers are spending on YouTube, you do have to have other ways to monetize your channel. And this is something that I recommend to a lot of my subscribers who are trying to build YouTube channels, because you want to be able to diversify your monetization in a way that is not only depending on how much money you make from YouTube ads. You also want to be able to make money in different ways from your YouTube channel, which is why you can always download my free affiliate marketing guide, which has over 40 pages that can teach you how you can make money with affiliate marketing and how you can monetize your YouTube channel in many different ways and monetize other platforms, not just on YouTube, to help you make money online using affiliate marketing without having to depend just on YouTube. So if you guys want to download it, it's 100% free. Link in the description below. So with that said, what I'm going to do is jump into my YouTube studio and show you exactly how much money YouTube has paid me for 1 million views. Alright guys, so we're inside my YouTube Creator Studio, and I want to show you the last 365 days to show you that I've been able to get over 1 million views. And as you can see right here, 1 million views in the last 365 days, 49,000 watch time hours, 13,000 subscribers, and the number that you came to see, basically $9,027 out of 1 million views. Now just keep in mind that even though I received 1 million views in the past 365 days, only about 800,000 of those views were actually monetized, because it took me a while to be able to reach the 1,000 subscriber mark that you needed and the 4,000 hours of watch time. It took me about 2 months to reach that number, and then from that point on I started to make some money, but it was very little. It was about $200, $300 per month in the first few months, and then it went up little by little as I actually kept uploading more videos. So the one thing that you have to keep doing is continue to upload videos on a weekly basis. Make sure that you are posting videos that people are searching for, and most importantly, make sure that you're actually studying your analytics every single month to spot videos that are doing really well and see how much money you're making from those videos. What is the CPM on those videos and identify those high performing videos and topics. So does this mean that if you're able to get 1 million views on your channel, you'll be able to make $9,000 out of those 1 million views? Not exactly. It just depends on the topic of your videos, what your channel is about. There's many different factors that affect your CPM and how much money you'll make for every 1 million views. I've seen people who are making this on a monthly basis, so it is definitely possible to make a lot of money from the YouTube ad revenue, whether you're doing a brand channel, a personal brand like I'm doing with my own YouTube channel, or you're doing a specific channel where you're simply uploading videos around compilations and many other topics. So as you can see, about $9,000 for 1 million views in the past 365 days. So keep in mind that it took me about 12 months to be able to reach 1 million views for my channel, and I have about 250 videos in my channel so far. That is with an average CPM of about $15 to $20 for every 1,000 views. So what I'm hoping to do is, as my channel grows, as I get more videos out there, to get more views, hopefully increase my CPM a little bit more, and hopefully get, you know, 250,000, 500,000, or even 1 million views in a single month, and turn that into a monthly income. So instead of making $9,000 for 1 million views in the past 365 days, turn that into a monthly income. So that would be incredible. And I know that there's people out there, there's channels out there who are doing that right now. So it is definitely possible to do. It's not impossible. So with that said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you did like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.